Hey everyone, welcome to your new home here in Altamonte Springs, a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1,128 square foot condo on the second floor in a gated community. This home is ready for you. Let's go and take a look. All right, welcome in to our 2-bed, 1-bath apartment here in Altamonte Springs. Look at all the space you have here. Beautiful updated kitchen, dining room, living room, little kitchenette, little office space here. This is a terrific place as a starter home, or to start a family, or if you just need a little bit extra privacy for yourself with some extra room. This is exactly what you're gonna need. Once you walk in, you're immediately greeted by this beautiful updated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel sink, stainless steel appliances, modern microwave, stainless steel refrigerator, lots of counter space, lots of kitchen cabinets. And then right off the kitchen, we have our laundry room. Washer and dryer are included in this rental, with also more room for storage. And just behind the washer and dryer are shelving for your pantry. Of course, this kitchen is fully appliance with including a stainless steel dishwasher. This condo is a perfect size. Once you're done cooking your lunch or dinner, you just step right over into your little dinette area. Perfect for a small table for 2 or 4 to sit down and enjoy a meal right off the kitchen. Just perfect. Right off the kitchen is this wonderful space here that you can use as perhaps an office space or a child's play area. Even comes with these shelves that are great for storing extra shoes or toys or whatever you want to store in here. But just a wonderful space here, or maybe it's even an extra living space or dining area if you needed extra room. Great to have a little bonus space. And just to the right is your main living room. Already have the TV wall mount already on the wall. All you gotta do is hook up your TV. Everything is freshly cleaned, including the carpet. Tons of space here for your couch, big TV, enjoy the game, or just sit back, enjoy your movie or your favorite Netflix show. All right, let's walk down the hallway. To the left is our first bedroom. Great size, 12 by 10 space with a closet. Has everything you need here. We come back out and there's a linen closet immediately to the left. To the right is our full bathroom, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. But as we continue forward, we enter into the master bedroom, a huge space, nice vaulted ceilings, of course a ceiling fan. Again, carpets are freshly cleaned. Everything is fresh and ready for you. From the master bedroom, as we head into the bathroom, we have his and her closets, one on either side. And then we head forward, open the door into our master bathroom. Beautiful tile floors that match the kitchen. Beautiful granite countertop here with your sink. Stainless steel faucet. And a perfectly clean shower with a tub. If you have children, you always want the tub. All right, well, there we go. A 2-bed, 1-bath condo here in Altamonte Springs, 1,128 square feet in a gated community, close to everything, swimming pool, clubhouse, everything you need, a perfect place to call home, and it's waiting for you. Make sure you contact me before this one gets away.